Menzies and welcome back to my channel. We are here at the one and the only Cadwell Park. We're here for an MSV track day, which means that we're going to have 7 sessions that we're going to be out on 20 minutes a session. I'm going to be basically going out on Bruce, which is my Kawasaki ZX636 from 2019, and we're looking to get some magic going. I'm hoping for this particular day that I'm actually going to break my personal best lap time, so hoping that I can get down to a 1:45.5 or below. If I do, you're going to hear some very loud cheering. So I'm going to guide you through each one of these sessions. I'll give you a little intro to each of the ones and then bring you along. We'll bring you all of the graphics, all of the analytics, and tell you what it's all about. So stay with me and enjoy the ride. Okay, so we're here at Cadwell Park and I'm just about to head out onto the second session of the day. This one's actually a pretty quick one. I do quite well on this one, so I'm getting down to a 1:46, so quite a respectable time for me. I'm still about a second off my personal best, which I was hoping to crack today, but this one's quite a good one. We're quite at the front as we go out, so there's not a huge amount of traffic around, so we get to kind of get out and have a bit of a clean track and get on with it, which is really nice. Unfortunately, this one does end up with a red flag that comes in, so we kind of finish the session a little bit early, but we still managed to get a really nice few laps out there and a really good one. So come along for the ride and enjoy. hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.